Hello there. Well, thankfully, it's a quiet weekend across the region. Take a look at the satellite and radar picture from earlier. You can see there's a little bit of rain up towards the far north of the UK, but for us, it's dry and that cloud continues to break up, allowing in some brighter sunny spells as we go through the afternoon too. Bit of a breeze, but generally it's on the light side with temperatures there up to around 7 or 8 degrees. Now, as we move on through this evening and tonight, it remains dry with a mix of cloud and clear skies. Of course, where we get the clear skies tonight, we'll be turning a little on the chilly side, maybe a touch of frost in one or two places. And then you can see a bit of cloud around as we go through the morning, but then some brighter sunny spells developing. Fairly brisk winds as we go through the afternoon, very mild for the time of year. Hello again. Hope you've all had a lovely Saturday so far. Well, the good news is the rest of the weekend is looking mostly fine and dry across the region, albeit it's going to be quite blustery at times. So let's take a look at that in a bit more detail. We can see we've got high pressure out towards the east of us, low pressure here out towards the northwest. What that's going to do over the next 24 hours is really put a squeeze on those isobars. So as I say, turning quite breezy as we go through Sunday, but that wind is coming up from a southerly place, and that means our temperatures are going to be above average for the time of year. It's going to feel quite mild in places. Now, for the rest of tonight, well, it stays quiet and dry out there, a mix of cloud and clear skies. So where we do get the clear skies tonight, we'll be turning a little on the chilly side, maybe cold enough for a touch of frost across some rural parts. So these areas getting off to a nippy start to the day tomorrow morning. It will be dry throughout much of Sunday daylight hours, but you can see some cloud wafting around, some bright or sunny spells. Those winds starting to pick up as we move through the afternoon, bringing in some milder temperatures than today. Highs there 10, possibly even up to around 11 degrees. 11 is 52 in Fahrenheit. And then looking further ahead, we can see we have got this front. It's going to be sliding its way from west to east as we move through Sunday night and into Monday. So it may bring some outbreaks of rain to us. It may also be accompanied by some of that Saharan dust too. So may have some fairly murky windscreens on Monday or Tuesday morning. But overall, as you can see here, temperatures remain above average for the time of year. A good deal of dry weather out there, albeit turning pretty blustery again on Wednesday. Hello again. Hope you've all had a lovely Saturday so far. Well, the good news is the rest of the weekend is looking mostly fine across the capital, albeit we'll be turning quite blustery at times. So you can see you've had high pressure with us, but that's going to move out of the way and low pressure approaches. And what that will do is put a squeeze on these isobars. So as I say, it's turning quite windy as we go through Sunday, but that wind is coming up from a warm direction. So actually our temperature is going to be well above average for the time of year. Now, in the meantime, for the rest of this evening, if you are heading out and about, it stays dry out there. Got a mix of cloud and clear skies. So where we do get the clear skies tonight, that's where it will be cold, as maybe be a touch of frost across some rural parts away from the city too. So a nippy start today tomorrow morning, a fair bit of cloud around, but it will start to thin and break. We'll see some bright or sunny spells developing. You can see the winds will start to strengthen as we move through the afternoon. But as I say, it's bringing in some milder air. So we're looking at highs there of 11, possibly up to around 12 degrees, so a good few degrees above average for the time of year. And then looking ahead towards next week, we can see we have got this frontal system working its way towards us, moving from west to east as we go through Sunday and into Monday. So eventually bringing some outbreaks of rain. It may also be accompanied by some of that Saharan dust too. So don't be surprised if you have some dusty windscreens on Monday and Tuesday morning. But overall, as you can see here, as we go through this week, as I say, perhaps a little bit of rain on Monday. For most of us, dry on Tuesday, but quite cloudy. And it looks like it will turn windy again by the time we get to the middle part of the week. Bye-bye.